All right, so refraction. All right, so refraction. If my beam of light or wave is coming straight on, as in along the normal to that surface, then there's no bending that happens, and it just goes straight along there. If I change it so that there is coming in on an angle, then there's bending that happens, and you can see there's some that just, you can see that instead of, I've probably turned it. That's fine. So instead of going straight through, it's bent that way. All right, so what I want to be able to show you was, so that you've got a diagram. All right, here's my, if I draw a box around this, all right, and that's my light coming in. Yeah. All right, and I take that away, I can draw that there. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to draw a normal and show where the angle of incidence is. So what's the normal?
Is it parallel to the bar?
Alright, so your normal is perpendicular,
Yeah, that's what I meant.
to the surface. Yeah, so if I was to draw a line perpendicular, that's the green line. Alright, so that's the normal. Alright, and when there's no perspex there, so the speed is not changing, where will the light go? It's just going to keep going like this. Yeah? All right, so on this left side, what is the angle of incidence? Where is it?
Angle of incidence, isn't that one?
Yeah, so the angle of incidence is all these angles are always measured from the normal. So that's the angle of incidence. Yeah? Because we're going from fast to slow, all right, we're going to get refraction happening. When you go from fast to slow,
it bends towards the normal.
Yeah, it's going to bend towards the normal. And you can see it on that line there. Okay, so if I was to draw, all right, that's that line there. So this is what it looks like. That's the refracted light there. All right, so where's the angle of refraction? Is in there. So that's angle of refraction. All right, now let's have a look at what's happening when it comes out on the right side. Okay, is it bending coming out that side? So if I was to draw that light, it might be easier if we go like this. So this is the line there. All right, and if I put that back there, is it bending? It is, yeah. So as it's going from the slow medium to the fast medium, we've got refraction. All right, and it's going to be bending which way?
Away from the normal.
Yeah, so if we draw another normal at that point there, so it's where the light, I'm drawing a normal where the light has reached the boundary. All right. And where does the light end up? It's ending up over here somewhere. So if I was just now looking at, if I'm just looking at this side, where's the angle of incidence on, if I'm looking at this boundary interaction? Yeah, so that there is the angle of incidence if I'm just talking about this side. All right, where's the angle of refraction? Yeah, so that there. All right, so as I go from a fast to slow, it bends towards the normal. On the way out, or when it goes from slow to fast, the angle of refraction has gotten bigger because it's moved away from the normal. Yeah.